Have you ever wanted to grow flowers or fresh produce in your yard but didn't know where to start? Well, the WSU Master Gardener Program could be just what you're looking for. Today I'm meeting up with Program Coordinator Tim Kohlhoff to find out how you can get started.
Oh gosh, we're always looking for more Master Gardeners. So everybody who's a Master Gardener is a volunteer.
Okay.
We work mostly with homeowners, backyard gardeners, and our idea is that we're educational, so we don't go out and do the work, but we'll teach people how to do the work.
So you teach the Master Gardeners and the Master Gardener teaches the homeowner?
That's exactly right, yeah.
Okay. The Master Gardener Program started in 1973 and now has an army of nearly 3,500 Master Gardeners just in Washington State.
We're your county's best kept secret.
Yeah, indeed.
A lot of people don't know we're out there. If you've got questions about vegetables or flowers or what tree to plant in your property, all of those are things that you might find out from a Master Gardener.
Tim and I got to take a look at a local Master Gardener's backyard.
Raised beds are a great way to get started because not everybody has great soil.
There's over 50 different varieties of produce growing in this small farm, and I even got to taste some of it myself.
That fell right off in your hands.
It did. It didn't even anything.
And I don't think tomatoes made it in the house. They just get all eaten in the garden while I'm out there.
Look at that.
Very nice. Nice healthy root system there.
It feels so tender.
It is tender.
After seeing this garden, I asked Tim if he's seen an increase in the need for Master Gardeners.
So there's definitely been a change. Everything is really swiveled towards food production and how can I grow food at home. And there are even some people who they have a windowsill and some good sunlight, and they'll grow a few like fresh herbs on just inside. Sometimes it's a little scary to try something new,
right,
but just dive in, and we never have failures. We just have learning experiences in the garden.
If you're interested in becoming a Master Gardener, you can apply on WSU's Master Gardener website.
There are some people who've started out with very little gardening experience, so we train them and give them the information they need.
Well, you used to be Washington's best kept secret.
That's right.
But no more.
That's right.
Thank you very much.
You bet. Thank you.